Have you ever struggled to plan an industrial tour to Japan? Tech Tours Kansai can solve your problems. We offer the first service in Japan that allows you to easily customize your tours. Our service area, Kansai, located 500 kilometers west of Tokyo, consists of 7 prefectures. The Kansai region accounts for 17% of Japan's total population, as well as 19% of the total number of companies. 3 prefectures in Kansai are ranked among the top destinations for inbound visitors, demonstrating that Kansai is an area popular with international travelers. Osaka, in particular, has been the center of commerce and the nation's kitchen for about 400 years. Beyond its history as a backbone of the Japanese economy, in 1970, Osaka was the site of Japan's first World Expo and has developed as a major city over many years. In April 2025, Osaka will host the World Expo for the second time. The World Expo is a gathering that brings together the collective wisdom of countries all across the globe. Expo 2025 is expected to receive 30 million visitors, making this a major international event. With so much to offer, why not visit Kansai with Tech Tours Kansai? We can connect you to many environmentally friendly, energy-related facilities and places where you can witness cutting-edge technologies. There are also many small and medium-sized companies that have been in business for many years. Kansai also offers opportunities to experience all kinds of Japanese industry and culture, including products built upon traditional techniques. Tech Tours Kansai will change the way you do company visits. We support you by coordinating meetings with interesting, relevant companies. Our approach relies on partners who have existing relationships with these companies, so we can organize meetings with management teams. Drive your business forward with Tech Tours Kansai. The unique aspects of Tech Tours Kansai don't stop at business. We can help include various attractions as part of your tours. Experience bustling neighborhoods, Japanese architecture, cuisine, culture, nature, and more. Go beyond business to experience all the world-class attractions of Japan and the Kansai region. Let's take a look at a sample itinerary from Tech Tours Kansai. This is just one example. You can adjust it as you like to include an expo visit or any other available site. We take pride in designing open-ended, flexible, original tours that comprise many options. Only Tech Tours Kansai can make your industrial tour to Japan more meaningful and appealing. We encourage you to visit Kansai and experience everything that Japan has to offer.